and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be opening up, as I'm sure you saw from the title, my June Boxycharm box. I don't usually get these before the middle of the month, so I just wanted to rush and sit down and do this unboxing so I can see all the goodies that are in here. And yeah, I apologize for how dark it is in this room. Also, my light bulb's burnt out there if you wonder why I don't turn the lamp on. It's a dark, rainy kind of evening out there, so I'm just not getting a lot of light in. But we get to open up Boxycharm, and I think there's like maybe one product that I've been a little spoiled on in this box, but otherwise I think I've managed to avoid most spoilers, so let us see. Okay, woo. Okay, I'm feeling the thing that I'm pretty sure I was spoiled on, so let me get these out first. And yes, it is more Luxie brushes, and I always want to say, you know, you can never have too many brushes, but I do have to say at this point they're becoming not always my favorite item in my subscription boxes. I get a lot of the same kinds of brushes, and what I'd really love is like some big fluffy face brushes, things like that. But let's see what these are before I talk badly about them. Okay, so they're a little squashed from being in the bag, but what do we have here? We have a Luxie 510 Duo Fiber powder brush. I don't use a lot of duo fiber brushes. I fully admit that I don't 100% understand when you use them. From what I understand, because the fibers at the end stick out a little further, and then there's denser ones down here that keep them apart, it's for more dispersed kind of powdering or what you might want to do. So yeah, this might be good for like doing powder under the eyes. We'll see. I mean, other than that, maybe like some contouring, that kind of thing, for a very light touch. So that's one of them. This one is sort of a tapered, smaller brush. This is Luxie 660 Precision Foundation. That's interesting. I do use brushes for foundations, but not these kinds of brushes. I have the flat paddle brush that I really like, or a small sort of flat-ended brush if I'm really doing some blending. But I can play around with this and see if this is any good for my foundation. And then finally we have one that again has been a little mushed in the shipping process. This is a tapered highlighter brush. Okay, so once it actually becomes a tapered shape, because right now it's a little blumpy, yeah, that'll be nice for doing a highlight. So I do appreciate that these are not the usual eyeshadow fluffy shader kind of brushes, that it's something a little bit different. So I am happy about adding these to my collection and seeing what kinds of looks and techniques I can do with them. Feeling again into the box. Okay, there's something flat. There's something kind of, there's a jar. Let me get this jar out and see what it is. Okay, it is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, Sol de Janeiro. Fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. Okay, my immediate thought here is this isn't full size, and Boxycharm is usually full size, but if this is a body cream, that's not going that far. My second thought is that I watch a lot of other beauty YouTubers out there on YouTube, and I've heard Toddy talk about this a number of times and talk about how amazing the smell is of it. So all I want to do is get this open and smell it. Okay, I mean, it's a tropical smelling kind of lotion. Interesting, as I said, usually these things would be more full-sized, so I'm looking forward to trying it. I wish it was a little bit larger. Trying not to be negative, just saying. Okay, but it feels like we got a lot of things in this box this month again. Like that, like there's 4 more items in here, so okay. Pencil item, this is a Gentil Bleu eyeliner pencil in 912 charcoal. I feel like I have received one of these maybe in an Ipsy subscription before, but an eyeliner pencil is always good. I feel like I've seen Gentil Bleu before. Have I done a review on it? It's getting pretty bad when it gets to the point where I don't remember anymore. If I have done a review on Gentil Bleu, I will link that down below. But eyeliner pencils, always good. Yeah, there's like 3 more items in here. Okay, what's this item? Ooh, okay. It's an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. I feel like we haven't received anything from Ofra in a while, so it's kind of nice to get one of these. I've tried these formulas before. This is in the shade Verona. It looks like a really pretty sort of darkish nude color with maybe some like brown undertones, maybe even close to what I'm wearing right now. That's really nice. So maybe what I will do, you know, I've already done a review of long-lasting liquid lipsticks for Ofra. I will link that down below. I do really like the formula of these. So perhaps what I'll do with something like this is do a get ready with me, where I base the look around something that will really complement this color. And then we can see how the color looks and how it works. So yay, that is something that I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of, which I really like. Okay, there's something in here that feels like a palette. So I'm gonna go for the other thing first. It's a box of some kind. Okay, I have no idea what this is. What is that logo? It's a snake with a crown, like a cobra. Battington lashes. So we received lashes. Interesting. That is a beautiful little box. Like, look at that. Magnets open, and then you've got these, ooh, big fluffy lashes. You guys have seen me trying lashes before on my channel, and I do want to play around with them a bit more. Those seem really nice. They're sort of all crossed over, so they're a little fluffier looking, if it will focus. So that's fun. This is the kind of stuff that's really great for subscription boxes. Would I ever go and buy myself these lashes? No, but super fun to play with. So these are Battington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Awesome. Super fun. And now the palette that is in here. What is it? Interesting. What is this? Alamar Cosmetics? I have never heard of this before. Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. Before I open it, let's do a little read. Oh, it's pretty. It's even got like a little green streak on the side. Inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. So this is actually out of Miami, Florida. So let's take a look. Ooh, oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Look at the colors in there. Oh, the blues. Oh, and that like dark red. Okay, let's do like a couple of swatches. Oh, and that's like a green, that's Selena there. Okay. What do I want to swatch? I'm gonna swatch Selena and Tropico. So the green and the orange. Oh my gosh, that teal or green. Okay, let's focus in on my wrist. Focus in. Come on. I think it's because the light is turned up. Because look, that teal is gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, that is so nice. So I would say by far, let me just do a little review and roundup of what I've got here. I would say I'm most excited about this palette. That is fun colors. It's not the usual kind of neutral palette that I seem to always be getting or have a whole bunch of like neutral shades in it. So that is awesome. I'm super excited about that. By far my favorite item. And then I would say I'm most excited about these items. I mean, they say you get 5 full-size products in here, so I really think this is like a bonus item, but it smells really good and I'm looking forward to trying and using it. And these are like the polar opposites for me. This is the kind of thing I would never buy for myself, but I'm really excited about trying because I would never buy it for myself. And this is the kind of thing that I can see myself getting a ton of use out of. So that's so much the fun of subscription boxes, learning about new brands, getting things you wouldn't normally try and then trying them, and then getting things that are just, you know, like the price of the box is what I would probably pay for this one liquid lipstick being here in Canada and shipping and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I am excited about this month's box. This is a really cool variety of things in here, and yeah, big thumbs up for Boxycharm this month. So let's take a look at some of the prices and things. So the Alamar palette is $28, so fairly affordable, but I do believe that's in US pricing. And it just talks about, you know, the beautiful colors, all of that. These Monroe Silk Lashes are also $28, which is interesting. I have yet to find a really great way of reusing lashes. I will fully admit my last lashes that I really liked, which were the pure ones, they had the glue stuck to them and everything, and I thought I'll just let them soak in some makeup remover or some, I mean, micellar water. And I did that overnight, and when I came back, all the lashes had fallen out of the band. So not gonna do that with these ones. One of the things that gets me about lashes is they tend to be expensive, and I don't understand how many times you can use them. I mean, if I can use these 30 times, then, you know, it's $1 per use, that's awesome. But still cool, and it seems like they're really high quality, which you can kind of sort of start to see from the box and everything. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is $10. I can't imagine it's $10 for this size of it, right? I mean, I guess it is. These 3 Luxie brushes are $42, which makes sense. That makes them a little over like $10 each, so that's awesome. The Gentil Bleu waterproof eyeliner pencil is $5. Okay, so it's a really inexpensive item. So if it works relatively well, it could be a good pencil to go to for, you know, a low-cost item. And then finally, Ofra's long-lasting liquid lipstick is $21. And yeah, it's just an awesome product. So that is my Boxycharm box for this month. I would love to hear about what you got. Did you get a different variation? What are you looking forward to trying? I will say that I'm going to do reviews on a number of these products. You're also going to see reviews coming still from a few of my subscription boxes from last month. Those of you who are viewers know that it's been a month and I haven't been filming as much as I would like. So I do have some reviews to do on some products that I've been trying, but I might just try to put out more than 3 videos a week for a little bit to sort of get through those and do some timely reviews on these items. Thank you so much for joining me today. What do I always tell you to do at the end? Leave me comments. Love hearing from you guys. Try to respond to every comment that I get. You can subscribe up here if you're not subscribed already. You can like this video if you liked this video. You can hit the bell button while you're down there so you're notified of when I post, and you can watch another one of my videos. I'll put one up right here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.